At the Poor Boy channel, we're building a community of creators and innovators, people who dare to dream. I had this idea years ago. I wanted to be able to make a 3D printable drone. I needed a machine that was capable of 3D printing the materials that I feel like I may need to make this dream a reality. It is possible to 3D print ABS open air. Getting some pretty good prints too. So I set my sights on a fully enclosed 3D printer that was capable of handling higher temperature materials. Along the way, I've met a community of great guys who are more than happy to help along this build. It almost closely resembles the community that I've been involved in with the FPV world. It's my belief and thoughts that the two technologies are very much intertwined. So if you're into FPV drones, 3D printing technology, and even a little bit of CAD design, this might be the channel for you. So consider joining the Poor Boy family, because the best is yet to come. And for all my FPV friends out there, there's so much more that we're fixing to start designing, building, and creating. And I want to be able to share it with all you as well. Flight videos of our designs and creations. Hope you enjoy.